The warmer weather seems to make us all want to spruce up the outside of our homes, and one of the best ways to do that is a fresh coat of paint. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about how to prep for a paint job that lasts as long as it should right after this. How would you like to win a zero-turn mower just for sitting down? Enter the Toro Sit to Win sweepstakes. Visit your local Toro dealer, take a seat on a zero-turn mower with My Ride, and snap a photo of yourself. Submit your photo at toro.com/sit-to-win for a chance to win a Toro Time Cutter MX zero-turn mower with My Ride. It's just that easy. Check out all the details at toro.com/sit-to-win. Even great paint won't stay on a house long if the surface isn't properly prepared before it's applied. So a little extra work up front will save lots of work later. Paint won't stick well on a dirty surface, so the first order of business is cleaning. Try sodium phosphate mixed with water makes a great cleaner for painted surfaces, but be sure you rinse it well with a garden hose or a pressure washer. Any paint that's bubbled or cracked needs to go, so some sanding and scraping may be necessary. If you expose the bare wood, you'll want to apply a coat of exterior primer over those areas so the top coat will stick properly. Finally, apply some quality latex caulk to all the gaps and cracks, and once that dries, you're ready to paint. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.